Hey, it's Victor with SkyTech1. How's it going? I hope you liked that video. If you did, hit that like button. Now, thank you so much if you voted on the poll. It really gives me a lot of insights into what kind of videos you guys like to see. In addition to drone videos, the category with the most number of votes was tech, which includes tech reviews, tech talks, and tech news. So the next video might be talking about M1 Max and PCs. So if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now. I'm waiting for you. All right, great job. And you know, there's going to be a lot of videos coming out. As some of you may know, I am still editing Cheap Chad, which is a feature comedy film, and that's about 3/4 done. So it's looking for a summer release. And since you clicked subscribe, I'll see you in the next video. Adios and mahalo.